Hey guys, welcome to Niti's Woke of Love. As monsoons have arrived, nothing is more soothing than a bowl of piping hot soup. Today we shall cook one pot vegetable noodle soup. It's a very simple recipe. Check the comment box for the full recipe. Heat the wok to medium flame. Add butter and onions. Fry the onions till they are transparent. To the onions, we add carrots, beans, potatoes, mushrooms, and green chilies. Before we proceed further, do click on the like button and subscribe for further notifications. Saute the vegetables on medium flame. Now add the corn. Do not forget to add a dash of your love. Add tomatoes. Here is the surprise. We add a packet of Maggi masala. Add the water and let it boil. Cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. Add some black pepper and the noodles. At this stage, we add the salt as per taste and cabbage. Keep on simmer for 10 minutes. Your bowl of soup is ready to serve.